Okay, now problems 4 through 9. Our charge is to just separate the variables. Okay, so for number 4, we're going to need to multiply both. You have a choice here. You can multiply by just y squared. Because 3y squared has a nice antiderivative, I guess the best thing to multiply by here would be 3y squared. Alright, we do that now, and obviously we're always going to move the dx over to the right. What we end up with is 3y squared dy is equal to x squared plus 2 times dx. And there we go, we've separated the variables. For number 5, we're almost done here. The only thing we need to do is move the dx over. So we have y dy is equal to sine x dx. For number 6, well, we got to get the x term over to the right. We have 3e to the x. We also have dx. We're going to have to do these one at a time. We can start by getting the 3e to the x over right away. So we end up with 4y dy dx is equal to 3e to the x. And now we just move the dx over as well. So we have 4y dy equals 3e to the x dx, and we're done. Down on the bottom, we need to get the y over to the left and the x squared plus 4 over to the right. And in both cases, we're going to do that by division. Alright, so we're going to divide both sides by y. So we're going to end up with dy over y. And we're going to multiply both sides by x squared plus 4 and dx as well. Excuse me, we're going to divide by x squared plus 4. So we have an x there already. We're going to divide by x squared plus 4. And then we're going to multiply by dx. And now we are separated. With number 8, again, dx is going over. The only thing that needs to go over the other way is the square root of y. So we're going to divide by the square root of y. So dy divided by the square root of y, because again, if we divide by the square root of y, they wipe each other out, is equal to, and then our numerator is 4 ln x, our denominator is x, and dx at the very end. For number 9, we have dp dt is equal to 1/8 of 48 minus p. Now, if the p's and the t's bother you, then by all means, just rewrite it. dy dx. Alright, so p matches with y, and t matches with x. So we have 1/8 and then 48 minus y. Okay, it doesn't really matter what the variables are. Use the variables that you like the most. Now, what do we have to move? The 48 minus y and the dx. So we have to divide by 48 minus y in order for those to go away. So we're going to end up with dy over 48 minus y, and on the other side we have the 1/8 and the dx moves over. We're done.